Not every property starts out as a dream investment. Some come with challenges, maintenance issues, high vacancies, or tenants who don't pay. But with the right management, those problem properties can become profitable assets. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in transforming headaches into opportunities. Our approach is straightforward, efficient, and designed to maximize your bottom line. The first step in turning a property around is assessing the situation. Every property has a unique story. Maybe it's been neglected for years. Maybe previous tenants left it in rough shape. Or maybe the property is simply in a tough market. Whatever the case, the key is identifying what's holding it back. We dive into the details, looking at maintenance records, rental history, and neighborhood trends to figure out exactly what needs to change. Once we know the issues, we create a plan. Repairs are usually the first priority. A property that's in poor condition won't attract quality tenants. Our team handles everything from basic fixes to full-scale renovations, making sure every dollar spent adds value. Cosmetic upgrades like fresh paint and landscaping can make a huge difference, but we also focus on behind-the-scenes essentials like plumbing, HVAC systems, and electrical work. A property that's move-in ready is a property that rents faster and commands better rates. Tenant quality is another big factor in turning a property around. Problem tenants lead to unpaid rent, property damage, and constant headaches. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we have a rigorous tenant screening process. We look at credit history, rental history, income, and references to ensure we're placing reliable tenants in your property. The right tenant can make all the difference in turning a property into a steady source of income. Vacancies are another major challenge for problem properties. Every day a unit sits empty is money lost. That's why we focus on marketing. We use professional photos, detailed property descriptions, and a wide range of online platforms to get your property in front of as many potential tenants as possible. And because we handle everything in-house, we can move quickly, minimizing downtime and maximizing cash flow. Rent pricing is critical. Price your property too high and it sits vacant. Price it too low and you leave money on the table. We use local market data to find the sweet spot, competitive enough to attract tenants while ensuring you're getting the best return possible. And once tenants are in place, we make rent collection easy with an online portal that streamlines the process for everyone involved. Maintenance is another area where problem properties often fall short. Small issues that go unaddressed can quickly turn into big, expensive problems. We take a proactive approach to maintenance, scheduling regular inspections and addressing repairs before they escalate. This doesn't just save you money, it also keeps tenants happy. And happy tenants are more likely to renew their leases, reducing turnover costs and keeping your property profitable. Now let's talk about selling. Sometimes the best move for a problem property is to let it go. Whether it's a property you're ready to walk away from or one that simply doesn't fit your portfolio anymore, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City can help. We buy houses. No matter the condition or the challenges, we'll make you an offer and close quickly. There's no hassle, no waiting, and no need to spend money on repairs. If you're ready to move on, we're ready to help. Back to profitability. One of the biggest challenges with problem properties is managing costs. From utilities to contractor fees, expenses can add up fast. We negotiate on your behalf to get the best rates possible, ensuring your money is being spent wisely. At the same time, we focus on increasing revenue. Whether it's through strategic upgrades, better tenant placement, or optimized rent pricing, every decision we make is about improving your bottom line. Communication is another key part of the Alpine approach. Problem properties often come with frustrated tenants, and good communication can go a long way in resolving issues. Our team is responsive and professional, ensuring that tenants feel heard and that problems are addressed quickly. This builds trust and reduces conflicts, creating a better experience for everyone involved. One of the most rewarding parts of turning a problem property around is seeing the transformation. A property that once drained resources can become a consistent income generator. The neighborhood improves, tenant satisfaction goes up, and your investment starts to thrive. It's not just about fixing a property, it's about creating value for you, for your tenants, and for the community. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we understand that managing a problem property can be overwhelming. The late-night calls, the constant repairs, the financial stress, it adds up. That's why we're here. We take the burden off your shoulders so you can focus on what matters most to you. Whether it's spending time with family, growing your portfolio, or simply enjoying the passive income you worked so hard to build, we make it possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on property management and real estate investing. And remember, if you're ready to sell a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here for you. We buy houses so you can move forward with confidence.